भाई भाई ये देख ऐसे छाती पे बिठा के
Oh, that's actually
मजे आ रहे ये ऐसे बबलों के जो एक्सरसाइज करता है ना जिम में
अच्छा
ऐसे पकड़ लेके काम आके
तभी करा है तूने ताकि जब
Correct.
तेरी पीठ
ये
छूट जाए
क्लीवेज का फायदा बंद
uh,
करूं म्यूजिक पीछे
that would be nice I think for the audience
है ना
perhaps I mean I don't know they'll probably
ऑडियंस की माँ का
I don't know about that
ऑडियंस
yeah
के लिए क्या क्या करना पड़ता है भाई
Fuck the audience.
अपना है जो
तबीयत खराब है फिर भी भाई कह रहा है पॉडकास्ट करेंगे काम करना है
Correct.
देख काम तो करना है यार
द शो मस्ट गो ऑन
एग्जैक्टली आज तुम सोच रहे होगे कि हम यहाँ क्यों हैं ये क्या हो गया इस सीन को ऑफिस का है What the fuck is up? Why is Yuvraj on a bed?
आज वर्क फ्रॉम होम चल रहा
Why
है
are we sipping a martini with the wrong ingredients in it? How does it doesn't taste so bad actually?
मैं ट्राई भी नहीं करता
It's pretty much like a regular martini. It actually is not the it's
मुझे दारू का टेस्ट आ रहा है तो बढ़िया है
not bad this whatever the fuck this was.
मुझे दुआ
this
नहीं
liquid.
दवा की जरूरत है
हाँ,
हाँ,
right.
मजे भाई
So as you can see guys, Yuvraj थोड़ा मरीज बन गया है and you know well it is it's June. Happy Pride. And
Happy Pride.
Yuvraj was having a good time out, a night out with the boys.
सेलिब्रेटिंग Pride
One of them blew his back out, and
And,
he is now on
on
bed
me-
rest.
yes and it's also men's mental health month
Is
June.
that the case?
That is true by the way
Well, Pride would
June?
literally, you know, the amount of fucking Pride bullshit I think we have to deal with on the internet would drive, I think, most men. Just a little,
Correct.
yeah.
This is my month bro it's Pride and men's mental health this is Yuvraj month let's fucking go this is where it's at I'm gay and I'm gonna kill myself so hey man
Hey man, cheers to that, dude.
Cheers to
cheers to that. The verdict on the martini. I mean, it's
yeah I'm enjoying it
yeah.
yeah
It's honestly it could be a little dirty. It's a little too sweet. But that
थक देंगे उसमें
that liqueur is very sweet.
Hmm.
This champagne liqueur because it's champagne. Yeah, because the white
Yeah.
wine like a vermouth would be drier, right?
right
But the champagne is making it because of the extra sugar. It's very interesting. Very cute bottle.
very sparkly yes yeah छोटू सा तो bottle है packs a punch
और कुछ था ही नहीं और मैं क्या डालता फिर परनो डाल देता देख
वो
जुगाड़ू
सेकंड थिंग मत कर मजे आ रहे हैं ना
सेकंड थिंग मैं पहली बार का थिंग करता हूँ मैं तो बस कर देता हूँ
हाँ तो
ठीक।
उसके बाद ठीक तो मत ही करा कर
ओह
है ना?
बड़ी
you had your chance
dude
I mean honestly this is nice us setting up here I mean it's so easy it only took us an hour and
yeah
15 minutes to set up
only 40 minutes on the road and then about an hour to figure out the setup. But
15
but also that includes a fair bit of the cocktail situation. We were
Correct.
browsing liquor की पीना क्या है और ये बैकअप ऑप्शन और ये grapes है कि olives है हमको लगा ग्रेप अच्छा ये olives ही है आंटी आंटी
हम फ्रिज में देख रहे
For
हैं नहीं
cont-
ये तो grapes है नहीं नहीं
For context, both of us retards went to his mother's fridge. We see a box of olives. And you're like, are these grapes or olives? I'm like, they're definitely grapes, dude. They're fucking grapes.
तो फिर मम्मी के पास गया यार वो olives नहीं वो फ्रिज में मैं कहा वो grapes
तो
है
यार, तो you
यार,
can't.
नहीं चूती हो
मतलब तेरी आवाज आ रही मैं तेरे लेवल बढ़ा देता हूँ अगर तूने रखना ही है ऐसे हाँ थोड़ा सा वो माइक
ऐसे रख मैंने सोचा था मैं अपने क्लीवेज में डालूंगा बहुत कूल लगेगा
लिवेज में डाल के क्यूट तो लग रहा था शुरुआत में बट आई फील लाइक फॉर द
या अगर मैं ऐसे बात करूंगा तो सुनाई तो देगा
the purpose of being a professional buddy
राइट
there's a other shit can you just leave it there हाँ
we are professional buddies
हाँ ठीक है अब तो रख दे मैंने लेवल बढ़ा दी तेरे
है ना
this
बढ़िया।
actually is good if I can you know like fucking pay attention and adjust the levels it's cool
then
it's the right thing to do
then
but how I'm not doing it
yeah
मैं नहीं करूँगा
oh yes because you have somebody employed to look after that for you
who
in
are
post if you start doing all these things you'll have to fire Harsh
yeah
you won't be
I'm
able
only
to-
looking out for the economy
yeah you're just trying to justify costs now
that's true
love you Harsh saved your job
hey man you have someone to thank for it
Yeah.
yeah
me
he paid for the check तो उसी को thank you बोला कर actually तेरे check वही काटता है
yes that is accurate
on the way by the cuts become काटना ये बहन का लड़ा है this guy okay so I'm taking the cut this is right out after ये जो श्री अरविंदो मार्क्स है ना right before SX Farms ठीक है लेकिन मैं वो SDA की साइड से घूम के आया था because मेरी गाड़ी उस तरफ पार्क थी मतलब कि उस तरफ फेसिंग थी तो I went that way anyway I'm taking
करेक्ट गाड़ी कौन घुमाता है जिस तरफ गाड़ी पॉइंट करे उस तरफ भागा
अबे बहन के लड़ा
बाकी फिगर आउट हो जाएगा बाद
एक
में
बात सुना मेरे को साले बात सुना, या तो मैं गाड़ी घुमाऊं, ठीक है, सड़क मेरे को घुमा के वहां ले जाएगी, बात तो एक ही है।
राइट। वाह, मुझे अगली बार गुड़गांव की तरफ जाना होगा, मैं नोएडा की तरफ चला जाऊंगा, रोड तो घूम जाएगी इवेंचुअली।
Dude, I'm just saying, eventually the road will take you there. Okay. Now, am I the guy who spends 5 minutes in traffic or 2 minutes taking an 8-point turn? I'm a guy who does 5 minutes in traffic, dude.
Yeah, we
I think an 8-point turn is just emasculating. Personally, I'm in the service lane. Oh my god, there's cars on every side. Oh my god, this fucking bitch with this fucking bloody stilt house.
and it's pretty primitive, to be honest. We're no flat earthers. We know the world is around. गोल घूम के आप पहुंच जाओगे अपने रास्ते पे, जहां भी आप जाओ. You'll always, the road will take you wherever you want to go, no?
I'm just
Eventually.
Yeah, it's just science.
Yeah.
Science compels me to drive in the direction I'm facing. Anyway, the point being,
Right.
काटने की जो बात हो रही थी, कि
हाँ.
मैं फिर वो फ्लाईओवर के नीचे हूँ, मेरे को राइट लेना है एसएक्स फार्म्स के लिए घुसने के लिए. This motherfucker, this fucking good for nothing loser motherfucker with the fucking with you know those prayer flags, when you have those prayer flags hung out all over the car.
बताओ, प्राइड फ्लैग नहीं, प्रेयर फ्लैग है कि घूम रहे हैं?
Because this guy, you know, in college he went to Dharamshala once. If you're an actually Nepalese guy,
Right.
then it's fine. Then you're allowed to have it
हाँ.
in your car.
आप फिर दलाई लामा के cousin
I
हैं
don't
ना
want to
फिर?
see someone who looks like they're from Bihar with a bunch of prayer flags in their car. Okay, so this
Nani?
Yes.
okay, in his Hyundai Verna tries to overtake me from the outside. On the outside, he's taking the outside line and he wants to overtake me.
इसके टट्टे बहुत बड़े हैं.
I'm having none of it. I'm having none of it. Okay, so I'm
तेरे शायद थोड़े बड़े हैं.
मैं defensive मैं हो गया defensive driving. I'm parking it right on the edge. He has no way to turn in. Okay, and I slam and I get ahead of him. अब मैं आगे आया हूँ ना, अब आगे 2 लेन खुल चुकी हैं, ठीक है. ये पीछे जाए, मैं इसके सामने आके ब्लॉक करूँ. He's going that direction. I block. Maybe I swerve. I'm Max Verstappening the fuck out of this guy. I'm like, dude, you can't get ahead of me.
Didn't he just come 10th in the last race or something?
That's why did he do that? Because he crashed into someone on the fucking penultimate lap.
Very nice.
Yes, because George Verstappen, George Russell tried to overtake him,
Right.
and he's like, I'm not having any of this shit. He just crashes into him. He just literally bonks the bonk tires.
It's a matter of principle.
Yeah, तू होता कौन है?
Exactly.
तू है कौन?
तू है
तू
कौन?
मेरे को ओवरटेक करेगा?
मैं मर
अबे
जाऊंगा.
साले हुंडई वरना तेरे प्रेयर फ्लैग तूने क्या लगा लिए? तू 2011 में एक बार चला गया था धर्मशाला भोसड़ी वाले.
वरना हुंडई वरना मेरे से पंगे मत लियो. हुंडई वरना तेरी गार्ड बजा दूंगा मैं.
Very nice joke.
It's the only one for Varna, man.
So anyway, so on that Essex Farms Road now, he's trying to overtake me. मैं आगे क्रॉस करी, मैंने फिर उसके सामने ब्लॉक कर, मैंने ऐसे, oh, then I left him in the dust. And I felt adrenaline. Sure, but power. The power I felt.
खड़ा हो जाता है.
Oh my god, I was just like, wow. मैंने इसको उसकी औकात दिखा दी. What are you made of?
What are you trying?
Yeah, who could do what?
तू सुबह किस तरफ से उठ के तेरी मजाल हुई है तेरी?
तू होगा वरना मैं I-20 में आया हूँ साले. हाँ, मैं दिखाता हूँ.
There's no good pun for that, but I'll just give you props instead. वरना में बहुत chances थे यार.
I was just thinking, you know, like, like that was such a power trip for me, just blocking someone on the road 4 times in a row was such a power trip.
छोटी छोटी खुशियाँ सबको जरूरत है भाई.
मैं वही कह रहा हूँ, dude. If you give me any real power, I would be a tyrant, probably. Probably.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure. At least for the first 2 months, I'm going to be just
Drunk with power for a bit.
just having, yeah, exactly.
It's a Trump thing. You're
Yes.
gonna come in, you're gonna sign some executive orders, and then 2 months later you might think about it कि यार शायद ये वाला गलत था. I probably shouldn't have outlawed all the trans people and probably not sent out an execution order on all the gays
So that's
because it's June.
no. So that is okay. That I think is like someone who's got those ideas kind of. मैं तो पावर की बात कर रहा हूँ. मेरे को उस पावर को अब्यूज कर रहे हैं. मैं मतलब कि अगर मेरा जैसे मैं अगर मेरा कोई पॉलिटिकल राइवल हो, राइवल
Rival, हाँ.
पता नहीं क्यों I got confused. I was like
Enemy बोलने वाला था.
पता नहीं क्या बोलने वाला था.
Enemy, rival जो भी.
Whatever the fuck.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
Whatever the fuck. Fuck it.
Okay. This guy lives probably on let's say Ashoka Road or whatever the fuck. ठीक है. इसको आना है पार्लियामेंट. मैं बोलूंगा तो नोएडा के साथ हो गया पहले. तो नोएडा के थ्रू हो गया. Like we discussed.
तेरे को अपनी गाड़ी वहां मोड़ के
तेरी गाड़ी, yes, your car can only travel from
no
south.
8-point turns allowed for you.
You can't travel north. If you're in central, you can't go north and get to, you know, the more center. You gotta go south. You gotta go
Correct.
south, southeast, make the whole trip, come back up here. That's the kind of power that I'll have.
Yeah, visit a couple constituencies on your way. Do something.
Some guy who's not transport minister, उसकी मैं सारी गाड़ियां by law CNG करा दूं, माचदा तेरे को BMW की मिले.
Lead by example.
Because that would just give me.
तू करके दिखा ना. Transport minister.
तू जरूर अपनी BMW में CNG लगा ले. That, I mean, bro.
वो BMW का CEO आत्महत्या कर लेगा. बस इतनी सी बात है. बाकी on principle, yes, it makes sense. We're proud of CNG.
हमारे दोस्त है ना जो ऐसे वो बीमर वाले जो you know Seth loves his Beamers, and I love Beamers. I mean, as a car enthusiast, one of my favorite brands, right?
Right.
Now Beamer enthusiasts refuse to even drive the 2 Series or the X1 because it's a front wheel drive. It's not a rear, it's not a rear wheel.
Oh,
Exactly. It's not a true BMW.
इतनी चौड़.
और 3 से कम को 3 सीरीज से कम का मतलब नहीं बनता. और यार X3 तो ले, ठीक है, मैं कह रहा हूँ.
ठीक है.
ऐसे लोग होते हैं. हम लोग होते हैं, हमारे विश्वास है ऐसे कि तू कुछ नहीं है, अगर तू X1 चला रहा है, what the fuck.
इनके डिक्की में सिलेंडर घुसा दे CNG का.
डाल के ऐसे.
They need a humbling actually.
Oh my god.
इनको थोड़ी औकात मिलाओ.
Just for the fuck of it, make me fucking whatever the fuck. See, chief minister.
हाँ.
Let me nayak the fuck out of it.
अनिल कपूर सारा सॉफ्ट रह गया वो.
मैं MCD के इलेक्शन ही सारे कीचड़ में लड़ाई करके कराऊंगा. सारे MCD how to decide how the city is run, you know.
Yeah.
Anyway, this was just how I was fantasizing about being a tyrant and what all I would do, I guess.
Fantasize. You're 2 steps away from it happening.
I
First,
just had a
find the chief minister. Second, insult them in person and do it well. That's it. You're CM. Finished.
I had so much fun.
कौन करेगा? पार्टी ज्वाइन करो, कैंडिडेसी फॉर्म भरो, raise funds, make connections. No,
By the way,
threaten the CM once.
and by the way, when I truly felt the power after the 5th block or something, and now I'm driving normally, the guy just stopped. He gave up.
5th block? कितनी बार काटा?
मैंने उसको 4 या 5 बार काटा उसको मैंने. Like I turned my car to fucking block him. There was 2 lanes available. I was swerving in and out in front of him. And I think after the 5th one, then I saw there was a cab, and I took this. I took a right, and I just went up, and I had zoomed past. He followed me for I think the 1 or 2, and then he just stopped. He gave up. He's like, I can't get past him. He just
No, that's the way you do it. You got to beat him into submission. Happy Pride Month.
yeah, like a bucking horse. You have to you gotta tame the horse, right? You gotta make it.
Correct.
You gotta ride
Obey you.
yes.
Yes.
Not a bucking horse. I mean, like an unbroken horse. Because a bucking horse refuses to be ridden. That's why they're a bucking horse. Right? The rodeo shit.
You know too much about horses for our audience or our other participant of this podcast, but sure, I appreciate. मुझे horse में horse power ही सूझ रहा है अभी दिमाग में.
मैं पता एक बात बता. अब ये सवाल थोड़ा सा देखो अजीब लगेगा.
Been there.
एक घोड़े की कितनी horse power होती है?
एक.
नहीं, incorrect actually.
एक घोड़े की एक horse power क्यों नहीं है?
वही तो मैं बता रहा हूँ.
तो
Even I
फिर-
thought this was the case.
तो फिर unit क्या है?
What the exactly?
एक second.
So it turns out
1 horse has the power of 30 horses?
roughly 12. I think it's like
Wow.
it's like an 11 to
Oh.
horsepower is actually a unit of whatever the fuck.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it makes sense. 1 horse has the power of 12 horses. That's why it's called 1 horse. That's okay.
So you have
My
100
bad.
If you have a 120 horsepower car, really you're fucking around with about 140,
10
1440. 12 पे कर लेना.
Oh, wow.
1440 घोड़े थे तेरे पास लगभग.
Wow.
राउंड अबाउट.
नहीं, उल्टा बोल रहा है. 12 into 12 नहीं, divide by 12 कर. तेरी मैथ्स कमजोर है पागल.
12 into 12 क्यों करूंगा ब्रो? मैं 120 हॉर्स पावर है मेरी, तो उनको 12 घोड़े में करूंगा ना मल्टीप्लाई.
10 घोड़े. एक घोड़े की अगर 12 हॉर्स पावर है, तू कह रहा है?
हाँ, तो 120 into 12 नहीं होएगा क्या?
तेरे को 120 हॉर्स पावर का पता लगाना है कि तेरे को 120 हॉर्सेस का पावर पता लगाना है? क्या पता लगाना है तेरे को?
Oh right, you're not wrong.
है ना?
You're not wrong. You're not wrong.
इसलिए 11 12 में मेरी मैथ्स थी और तेरी नहीं थी, ठीक है?
You're not wrong.
हाँ.
Horse power. I was like horse.
हाँ.
Space power. but not horsepower.
Right.
Right. But if you have 120,
Thank God we have an academic on this show.
how are you learning new things and also slowly losing your mind at the same time on this podcast? That's really what happens out here when we're having a conversation.
मेरे तो घोड़े लग गए bro. ये तो भाई क्या fact है ये?
Yeah, Saif brought this question up, and I was like, dude, it's got to be one. But I had the same reaction as you. Like, dude, stupid question. One horse has 1 horsepower.
And he's like, no, stupid answer.
Stupid.
Question काफी जायज है.
So that was fun.
For whom?
I think this would be.
Who the hell?
But I'll tell you why I know so much about horses. I mean, this bucking horse and riding a broken whatever the fuck.
Yeah, because you're into horse, just like me.
That besides the point.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't ride horse.
We are not the same. Okay, go on.
I just don't. I mean, we're talking about like paid sex and shit.
Oh.
As a defining
No,
characteristic
I'm
of a
talking,
lady.
I'm talking about having sex with the questions. What are you talking about? Sorry. I guess we are not the same then.
I've been watching this cowboy shit, nah? Yellowstone.
Ah, yeah, I've heard of that
That's
shit.
what it is.
I've heard of it.
That's why.
Is it good?
I'm enjoying it. I just like this side of Americana where it's literally cowboys. It's fun.
Shout out.
It's fun.
Yeah.
I'm enjoying it. Yeah.
Nice. Is
Man,
it
yeah.
all ranchy and shit? And is that the show's like
Y'all don't even know.
y'all don't
Y'all.
even know? I fucked my sister earlier in the day, and now she's having my kid.
No,
I'm
but
from Alabama.
yeah, so the Bama accent is different. This one is set in Montana. Montana is now like roughly like it's closer
Of
to-
Hannah Montana fame, yes.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, actually, not Hannah Montana. Speaking of Montana, ये एक रैपर है ना फ्रेंच मोंटाना करके
हाय
कुछ
हाय वो रैपर तो उसको मत ही बुलाओ वो तो
एक म्यूजिकल आर्टिस्ट है apparently. I haven't
correct.
heard his shit actually, to be fair.
it's pathetic. I mean some of
I
it is
believe that.
they listen, the music is like fine, you can enjoy it at a party or something, but it's not something that I repeat listen to. In fact, it's not even something that I listen to. It's something that other people play for me and I'm like, I've heard that shit somewhere, that kind of thing.
So
Recognizable music.
I don't know about that because I don't really know, but I did come across something that I saved. He's apparently done an Indian song अभी देसी गाना किया उसने.
किसके साथ?
वही बता रहा हूँ अभी खोल के देख रहा हूँ.
ये करण औजला और ट्रेविस स्कॉट Travis
Travis. Karen Aujla and Travis.
Karen and Trevane. तो ट्रेविस के साथ भी कुछ कर रहा है क्या? Did he do something?
ये मैंने सुन रखा है कुछ ऐसे
I
शायद.
saw a reel. Someone sent me a reel or something where I think Travis Scott was giving flowers to Karan Aujla, but it just looked like a black guy. I don't know if it was actually Travis Scott.
That's racist of Karan Aujla.
The text said Travis
Alright.
ex Karan, but I don't actually know enough about Travis to know whether or not it was him.
I know what he looks like.
I know what he directionally looks like. He's black and he's got those braids and shit, right?
Yes.
But to be able to recognize the specifics of that face,
And one of the Kardashians around him.
no,
you
not
get
not anymore. Nah, Kylie's sucking and fucking that other guy, Timothy Chalamet.
Yeah.
How's that?
I don't
work?
get that.
That's a fucking retarded. I mean, nobody.
I mean,
gets-
I don't get that. Timothy gets it, but sure.
yeah. Some of these now.
You know, fame and popularity and will just like put you in all kinds of places.
it's not. It's
Help you
not.
punch above your league, etc. Whatever the fuck.
It's not even that. Like, sure. I mean, I can't. Of course, it's not an impossibility to imagine that Kylie Jenner may find that person attractive, right? But Timothy Chalamet just gives me a very a sexless vibe. Asexual. He's just like a skinny fucking whatever lanky motherfucker. I never
अबे
get.
French बोलता है ना. So
French
you-
बोलता है
you- yeah, he's fluent. He is French. He's
I know
French
his
American.
name is Chalamet.
But no,
Timothy
he-
is like there's a.
no, but I think he's part of his upbringing. Whatever is French. Like
Okay.
जैसे हम पंजाबी बोलते हैं, French बोलता है.
हम तो
Even he
मैंने
supports.
थोड़ी नहीं मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं आती मैंने थोड़ी
Even follows French football properly. वो Olympique Marseille का वो नहीं Olympique Marseille or Lille. One of the French teams he ardently supports वगैरह
So
वगैरह.
so you think he was just like le Kylie me saki du poussoir.
Yes.
Me love it the poussoir.
Oui, monsieur.
Oui,
Oui,
croissant.
monsieur.
And that was it, and she
Croissant.
was like, yeah.
Oh, ma barrette. Oh, ma croissant. Oh, lululu.
Sex. That's France.
Baby talk? You just did a baby talk accent?
I did the French accent and went overboard on it. I guess it resembles baby talk.
Yeah, because that's baby talk.
Sorry, yeah. See, they're very close.
इसकी पीठ में लगी है लेकिन दिमाग में चोट पड़ी है इसको.
Happy Pride Month.
घाव दिमाग में है. Yeah, he must have been skull fucked also. It's not just his back that got all the shellac. He probably got.
ये क्या है?
They probably used up his throat pussy also, as opposed to just his butt one. Butt pussy or boy pussy. The bussy. Debussy.
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 ये देखेगा ये actually मैंने
What
खुद-
is it? Is it butt pussy or is it boy pussy? Bussy?
Actually I heard it from you, so you tell me.
I would imagine.
It's really functionally the same thing, right?
I get it, but so for example, so I'll tell you why I don't think it's butt pussy. I think it's boy pussy. Why? Because a woman already has a pussy, so you don't have to say butt pussy. You just say butt. You're having anal
That
sex,
makes sense.
right?
That
For
makes
a
sense.
man, they don't have a pussy. तो उसकी गांड की pussy है तो boy pussy होगी ना उसकी.
And a boy pussy is actually more inclusive because what if somebody had a ding dong and then has it surgically removed and now has a pussy? So
No,
it's
but that's totally different. Then that pussy is different.
oh yes,
That's a pussy.
that is
Because that person is not a boy anymore,
Yes,
dude. That's they're
correct.
identifying as a lady.
unless they
Oh my god! During Pride Month, for Pride, how can you do this?
Happy Men's Mental Health Month is my only answer.
Let's wrap this up and get another
For all the-
round going. huh?
Let's wrap this up. Let's
Arey, this drink. Oh my god.
कितने दूर कितने पास
A very able-bodied, young, virile gentleman we are, aching to get a cheers in.
कितने दूर कितने पास उसमें
आमला खाया
ऑलिव्स मतलब उसमें सीड वीड तो नहीं है ना है क्रेजी मैं तो इसे सॉलो कर जाऊंगा तो
मैं? खा लियो, निकाल लियो इस बीच.
हमारे बीच कोई दूरियां ना रहे
Wow.
ये फ्रेंच हैना मोंटाना का दिखाऊं मैंने खुद एक्चुअली देखा सुना नहीं है बट अपेरेंटली इज रैपिंग इन हिंदी ओवर हियर
मेरे को एक और राउंड ड्रिंक्स बनाने दे उसके बाद.
ड्रैंक्स
Buy you a drink, oh baby.
ये हीटिंग पैड मेरी गांड बहुत गर्म कर रहा है अच्छा हाँ
Like 15 minutes at a stretch and then turn.
क्या बात कर रहा है Ooh. ले भाई ऐस और मैं यहाँ जैतून को चनों की तरह चबा रहा हूँ अकेले ये साले सीड इतने बड़े हैं ऑलिव कितना छोटा है उसके अराउंड फक आई जस्ट गैग्ड ऑन इट हैप्पी प्राइड मंथ एंड या wow life is difficult when you're trying to eat olives there must be a metaphor around this yeah so real talk the story मैं तो अच्छा भाई साहब का पहले फोन बजे हैं बहन चो तेरा फोन नहीं उठा रहे मैं संडे सुबह को दांत ब्रश कर रहा था 10:30 बजे हफ्ते में 2 बार ही तो करता हूँ ठीक है तो मोमेंट होता है मेरे लिए और दांत ब्रश कर ही रहा था मेरे को खांसी आ गई मैं एक बार खांसा मेरी पीठ और गांड वहीं पे मर गई आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड apparently this happens with age अच्छा अब साइलेंस हो गया अब ये बंदा काटेगा बीच में एडिट तो मैं बोल ही क्यों रहा हूँ है why waste my comedy gold on what's gonna be slashed out so unceremoniously हाँ ड्रिंक बना ले शराबी है काम ना करियो
shaken, not stirred.
हाँ ये जेम्स बॉन्ड बैठा हो ना मैं यहाँ पे जेम्स बॉन्ड एक्चुअली मिशन के बाद तो ऐसे ही लमलेट होता होगा क्योंकि उसकी हड्डी पसली टूटती है फिर इतना सेक्स मचाता है उसका लंड वन टूटता होगा मतलब सब कुछ वो करता है ऐसा तो होगा नहीं कि वो रेस्ट नहीं करता मूवीज के बीच में भी 3-3 4-4 साल का गैप होता है जिसमें उसकी बॉडी टूटी हुई होती है वो पड़ा हुआ होता होगा ये वो फेज है जेम्स बॉन्ड का I imagine most of James Bond's life he's actually just injured and at bed rest. We just see like the good moments where he saves the world and some stupid shit like that. So yeah, it me.
Speaking of, it's probably
Thanks.
probably is Aaron Taylor Johnson, by the way, because he
Oh.
was just announced as Omega's new brand ambassador. And
that's always the Bond
so
actor.
that's always that's probably going to be it. And he is the most appropriate choice at the moment. There's nothing else.
Yeah, I'm not old enough, but crazy. ये क्रेग की नो टाइम टू डाई आए हुए भी 4 साल हो गए शायद. है ना? ये नो टाइम टू डाई कब आई थी? 2021 में? 2022 में? कब आई इसकी?
I just did a riff, the hard rock riff. Oh, did we cheers? Did you just do it?
We did, but I don't think you sipped.
Oh yeah, that's a bad luck.
अब गुड लक हो गया.
This I made, I think, a little sweeter.
हाँ.
है ना? A little sweeter, no?
अबे मैं अभी वो olive
इसमें ना
चबा-
सिरका कम है एक्चुअली बिकॉज तेरी माँ के वो अच्छे वो विलायती ऑलिव है ना
हाँ.
इसमें वो ब्राइन नहीं है so it can't really be as dirty as it needs to be.
हाँ, ये कुवैत से आते हैं डायरेक्ट.
Yeah, but I mean people like a regular martini also like a bit.
Yeah.
But I prefer a dry one. You know what it is about you know what it is about martinis, right?
They get you laid.
One is not enough.
Oh. वो तो किसी भी ड्रिंक का कौन सा वन इज नॉट, वो तो
One
लेज चिप्स के लिए भी बोलते हैं वन इज नॉट इनफ. भाई तू दारू की बात कर रहा है.
Yeah.
हाँ.
Mm.
One is not enough in anything. Sexual partners, friends, drinks, children, lays chips, court cases against you, sexual offenses. You know, one is not enough.
With martinis, one is not enough.
Okay.
Two is all right. Three is too many. Four is a party.
Oh. पार्टी तो टू मैनी के बाद ही शुरू होता है.
That's how that goes, dude. The martinis are really
Monogamy, just right, too many, orgy, party.
मुसलमानों की क्यों होते चार बीवियां?
Correct.
पार्टी करनी
Party.
भाई, पार्टी करनी भाई को यार.
The only form of haram they believe
One's not
is
enough.
party के बाद.
Yeah.
कि हम orgy रख सकते हैं रात को, मतलब five some.
देख वही है ना. अब देख चौथी बीवी के बाद कौन सी बीवी को पता कि तू असली में कहाँ है? एक को मैंने बोल दिया मैं रिया के घर पे हूँ, एक को बोल दिया प्रिया के घर पे हूँ, एक को बोल दिया शर्मिष्ठा के घर पे हूँ, और चौथी को बोल दिया कि तान्या की माँ के पास हूँ. ठीक है तो असली में नैनिका के घर पे. नैनिका के घर पे
Crazy.
नैनिका के घर पे.
Oh, 4 बीवियां होते हुए एक extra girlfriend. Oh,
That's what I'm saying. पार्टी का है.
cheating.
Where's the party at, dude?
अब cheating हो गया ना?
That's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying, dude.
So tell me, if you have like 4 wives and you're allowed to have 4 wives, and let's say you have all 4 wives, you sleep with any 4 of them, it's cool. The minute a 5th lady is involved, cheater, not allowed, haram.
It's just contractual. Marriage is contractual, right? Yeah. It's a business contract you sign.
Yeah, it's a civil union that is
Yeah, exactly. That's what
bound
it
by
is.
law, literally civil. Yeah,
Yeah.
union तो कभी भी हो सकता है.
You legally partake in
Sacrifice of your rights.
torture. You legally commit to eating my head for the next 27 years. You legally commit to always taking half of what I earned.
Shout outs to our married friends.
Oh man. Wow.
Wow.
No, they're all
They're all very happy.
all of them are having very good, nice early marriages. No problems, that's not.
They're amazingly fulfilled, and neither of them have ever complained about.
Okay,
Yes.
well luckily their wives are not watching this actually.
Or them,
Or them actually.
or their husbands.
one of them
We have female friends. Relax yourselves. We have at least 2 of them between the 2 of us. I can count them right now.
Yeah. Couple of my friends are married. Yeah.
Huh?
Couple of my lady friends are married.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
So are mine, but their husbands
why else
didn't
would
like.
they be friends with me?
So are mine, but their husbands didn't like me being involved.
That's what see I made the same joke. I
Oh,
made the
nice.
same fucking joke. Both of us.
There we go.
But Aryan Taylor.
Aryan, Arhan, Taylor,
Arihant Taylor.
Johnson, क्या हो गया? जनार्दन.
एक second. वो
हाँ, शौक से.
there's some fun pride memes out there.
वो तो है ही. तूने वो मोंटाना का देखना है? rapping in
हाँ मेरे
Hindi.
को मंटाना दिखा. तनाधिक तनाधिक तना
अला
तनाधिक क्या दिखा रहे हो मेरे को?
ah मेरा घुटना. Wow, it hit my funny bone.
There's no French Montana rapping in Hindi.
हाँ.
शनाया कपूर है इसमें.
Juicy keeping her. Live it get better with time, never leaving her. She get wet by the ocean, I was deep in her. She belong to the game, ain't no keeping her.
Okay.
Ain't that she told me I believe.
Why?
I was married to the streets, but I
Hindi guy.
creeped with
I
her.
don't even. By the way, this Shania Kapoor is so mid to me.
Shania Kapoor.
Yeah.
Is she the one who looks a little like Is she the one who looks a little like Voldemort?
What? Nobody looks like Ralph Fiennes, dude.
अबे वो Ralph Fiennes खुद Voldemort की तरह नहीं लगता. वो तो वो डाल के लगता है ना. वो ऐसी नाक जिसकी वो है यार. पिचकी भी. Shania Kapoor has that nose. Is that the one?
I don't think her nose is that.
No?
What you're talking about, dude?
Okay.
See, it's literally the lady in the video you just showed me.
मैं देखा ही नहीं खुद. I am.
This fucking nigga, dude. This fucking guy, bro.
ऐसे ना बोलियो. अबे ये फिटनेस वाला है.
सारा गाल वाप दिया. जेरी मेरी तेरी नाल मिलदी है. सारा गाल वाप दिया.
But that was
जेरी
no.
मेरी तेरी
I played
When
it.
you played it, sounded like English.
Oh, that was the English thing that was playing, I think. after.
Sorry, Galbadia, Terry, Mary, something, Mil diya. Yeah.
They all know where the money's at. They want the Indian market. Even Fred again was just I think documented saying, or I think he posted himself that he really likes India and he wants to come back, and there's a lot of growth here in this market. So at a certain level,
Obviously, population और China में तो इसको घुसने नहीं देंगे इन लोगों को.
नहीं ऐसी बात नहीं, चाइना में भी करा सकते हैं, लेकिन पॉपुलेशन ग्रोथ यहाँ पे सबसे सारा.
हाँ, क्योंकि वहाँ Instagram सब नहीं चलता ना.
इंस्टाग्राम नहीं चलता, you're not wrong.
So actually उनकी वो मार्केट चाइना नहीं है. यहाँ है
WeChat वगैरह भी तो
TikTok.
चलता.
TikTok, but that's it.
No, in general, also I would imagine, I think just a richer market. Also in terms of collaborations,
Yeah.
like they'll probably be able to. They probably, like Bollywood is the
कितना
second
करेंगे?
largest film industry in the world, dude. In it,
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying.
Largest कौन सा होगा?
Largest,
स्पेन का, जर्मनी का,
I think China ही है.
बुल्गारिया का होगा.
हमारे पास China ही है यार सबसे बड़ा. So speaking of China, Jackie Chan says he's numb to beautiful women, admits to beating son in new book.
He's numb to beautiful women and admits to beating his son. I mean, I guess everybody has different ways to get off, and we just need to be tolerant of people's different desires and kinks. Happy Pride Month, Jackie Chan. We see you.
So he's
But yeah, I mean,
he's admitted he doesn't. Women don't do it for him, and he likes to get his fists involved with this when his son is around. Huh?
hey man,
I wonder where they're going.
is his son's name Jack?
Are they going up his ass?
Son's name Jack?
Matlab?
Jack off?
Jack off.
Jackie Chan. Hey.
Yep.
So you know,
Yeah.
just might be his.
Jackie's clan. Jackie's. Yeah.
I think we should be more inclusive and accepting of these things.
But
this year.
that was a sidey one that I had just by chance pulled up, and we mentioned China, so I brought it up. But the real one that I want to show you is this Pride shit. Hold on.
Okay, go for it. Would I be safe to wear this to Seattle Pride? Oh my god. This is beautiful.
It is, but it's also crazy.
I'm a Muslim who recently came out and I want to go to Seattle Pride this summer. I want to wear this burqa with a rainbow flower crown for a multitude of personal and health reasons. I wanted to know if it would be safe to wear something like this in Seattle. Bro, what the fuck is happening in Seattle? Why is this a particular question?
Seattle is a very liberal city. I don't know if you know that. Seattle is very liberal, very progressive. I mean, Amazon used to be headquartered there, maybe still is. Microsoft is headquartered there.
I
right?
remember Boeing was.
Right. So Seattle has been. Starbucks is from there. It's a very liberal, very progressive city. So Pride is, of course, naturally that there will be. So
Right.
this lady decides to come out, but not out of the burqa. Do it all the way. You're out.
But
Remove.
you're not.
But you're not.
You're still in. You're still completely in fabric of social oppression. Yes, that fabric.
I'm out of the I'm out of the confines of the binary sexual spectrum, but as far as Sharia is concerned,
I'm still Team Allah. Let's go.
very interesting. You know, like the human mind.
Allah who cover me up.
Yeah.
You know?
Allah who covered me.
Yeah, exactly.
Allah who covered me up. I think
So,
we,
you know.
you may have to cut that out.
Not mine because it's still tasteful. The way you made it, maybe yours. yeah.
Because you only feel it then.
It's the extra iterations that we
I'm
might-
just testing fate at this point. Put me
Oh.
in jail.
honestly.
Put me in jail, dude.
Listen, been there, done that. It's
Ah.
everyone needs to go to jail at least once. Log military का बोलते हैं, conscription का बोलते हैं कि you should. You know, there's this old thought people say, oh, you should train military or at least spend a month in military camp. This, that, whatever. At least, no, I think it's prison. You need to go to prison because there's a humbling that comes with that.
Mm.
That's very necessary.
Prepares you for all the Pride
All the
Month
comedy
shenanigans.
Podcasts that
Pride-
you're going to start later.
The Pride Month shenanigans. Because, you know, you spend some time in jail, you get used to a bit of the butt play.
Correct.
And Pride Month rolls around and... but
And now
it
we're
did-
here.
It didn't do you
And
any...
now I'm here, flat out on my back.
didn't do you any favors. You're still, you know, did not...
A lesser man than me would have died.
Oh,
I am here.
wow. Mandingo,
still-
Dread was involved. All the big guns.
Man, dings.
Mandingo, hai na? Mandingo is
yeah.
that big fucking black guy. Dread is a big black guy. On
Oh,
the,
Dread is that porn star or something, no?
that's what I'm saying. Mandingo भी तो porn star ही है साले. और कौन है?
Sorry, मेरे को सारे Avengers का नाम नहीं पता.
मुझे सारे कल्ले I know the whole roster for Black Raw, buddy.
Man Dingo. Dingo Man का Man Dingo. It's just like the Batman Man Bat kind of thing. Do you know about that?
I don't know. what that
Batman है ना?
is. Right.
Batman का एक villain है जिसका नाम है Man Bat.
That's so crazy.
It's a thing.
That is hilarious.
वो एक man है जिसको चमगादड़ के उसको before coronavirus was a thing. He was injected with some bad shit and उसको corona नहीं हुआ. He turned into a bat or something. So
Yeah,
Man Bat.
you went batshit crazy, I guess.
Literally.
Yeah.
So,
But that term does come from actual bat shit. Do you know that?
w-
So
explain.
you know what the word the term batshit crazy?
Yeah, of course.
So that comes from when these researchers were, I think, observing a bat cave. The bats would fly out and they would often like poop and stuff in front of the observers, the researchers and shit. And there's some chemicals in their shit that actually makes you lose your mind. Like you start hallucinating and maybe you bleed or
तो
something.
नशे हैं
उसमें कुछ है.
चमगादड़ों की तो बैटमैन के टट्टी
It
में
may
नशे
have
हैं
some neurotoxins or something. That's what the term. We're doing a lot of etymology. And do you know horsepower? Do you know batshit crazy?
We are animal lovers. Hello, Peter. Your bread sucks.
Wow. Good one. That's a good one. Another no, nothing. I have nothing.
Damn, that's very eloquently put from you. I have a couple of things.
So now
Hold on.
I was trying to think of what I actually my phone is with you. No, it's not.
Some scientists say water might not be wet.
Water is not wet. Wetness is not a wetness. It's so funny. Sunday where I'm having this discussion with, of course, Weather Battalion.
Oh shit! I guess. Okay, yes.
Water is water. Wetness
Is what
is
water
a state.
causes.
Yes, is a state that is arrived at by the chemical reaction.
Attachment. कि
Yes.
कितना चिपका रहता है, how much it adheres to a surface or does not.
Correct.
And that's what waterproof shit is. It's just stuff that repels that chemical, that attachment more.
So
I was reading-
actually, is it waterproof or is it wetproof? ये क्या बजा रहा है तू?
अबे Tyla का water.
Oh, she's hot.
This is the most famous song also.
I don't care about
Is
that. I
that-
just like to look at
No,
her.
ye-
I literally have maybe heard one of her tracks.
This is the one.
Nahi.
I promise you.
No, it's not. I'll tell you which one I've heard, buddy.
It's water. वो article पे वही था music में.
Push to start. मैंने सिर्फ push to start सुना है.
Make me lose my breath. Make me water.
नहीं, मैंने सिर्फ push to start सुना है उसका.
वो मैंने नहीं सुना. मैंने शायद सिर्फ water सुना है.
सुंदर है यार, बस और क्या चाहिए
She's
मेरे?
beautiful, bro.
What else do you need, dude? I don't need to listen to you talk.
She's the best thing out of South Africa after Blood Diamonds. Sorry, Nelson Mandela. But
I
yeah.
actually go with the former.
I mean, Nelson Mandela's worth nothing now, monetarily. Rest in peace.
Oh my god.
Are you about to sneeze? Are you about to not sneeze now that I've mentioned it?
I think that may have happened.
Yeah,
That is
okay.
exactly what's
वो
happening.
होता है ना, I hate it. कोई छींकने वाला होता है, कोई बोल देता है यार तो छींक पता नहीं कहाँ चली जाती है. इसका फिजिकल साइकोलॉजिकल फिनोमेनन ये मुझे स्टडी करना है.
ठीक
कि
है.
ये क्यों होता है कि कोई बोलता है तू छींकने वाला है, फिर छींक नहीं आती,
तो
फिर उसकी गार्ड मारने का मन करता
तूने
है.
नजर लगा दी ना उसको.
करेक्ट.
कोई साइंस नहीं है इसमें, नजर है भाई. तू जानता
नजर भी तो साइंस है भाई.
नजर साइंस नहीं होती
ये
भाई.
बंगालियों का वो होता है ना, बंगालियों के एकेडमिक्स में साइंस, जादू टोना, ये ऐसे वुडू शेट वगैरह, इसमें होता है ना नजर. इट्स अ फील्ड ऑफ स्टडी.
Is it?
या
What are you saying?
आई एम सेइंग
Bengalis have a field of science called nazar and magic.
कॉल्ड, अबे जादू टोना का सबसेट
जादू
होता है
टोना.
ना.
अच्छा, okay.
करते तो वही है ना, ब्लैक
और
मैजिक.
काले तो करते हैं वो.
हाँ,
But that ain't science, dog.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं.
Science has a specific meaning.
नहीं,
It
ये
re-
वाली बात
It,
ना.
requires,
ये मुझे प्रूफ कर. कैसे करेगा.
it requires the
साइंस में तो मानते नहीं.
the scientific method. No, it's actually very definitional. It's pretty easy to arrive at. The scientific method must prove that it is empirically true. Whereas magic, I do not think we have been able to empirically prove by experimentation in the scientific method.
Maybe you haven't.
Oh wow, maybe you haven't. AI startup Builder.ai has collapsed after it was found to be powered by 700 engineers in India, not AI.
Let's go. AI stands for all Indian.
Wait, actually,
That's what it means.
always in India. That's just what it, also always in
Always in
India. It's
India.
always in India. It's like that fucking that Amazon. Do you know that Amazon personless store that they had launched in America and stuff? And I think they debuted in a couple of cities and shit, where it would just be a store. It's an Amazon store, grocery store. You walk in, and by facial recognition, if you have an Amazon account, they will know what card to charge, and you just pick up the items you want, and you walk out of it, and they will charge you for it.
Okay.
So they started this business.
Sounds very dangerous.
नहीं वो ठीक है चलो उन्होंने start किया. Maybe I think maybe there's a way to enter the store where you have to enter your login credentials or whatever, your Amazon credentials, so they can charge you later. But the AI continuously kept failing at recognizing the right items. Okay? Right. So then they employed Indian
Indian guys.
Indian
to
call
sit
center guys at the back end to be like, भाई इसने broccoli उठाई है, भाई
Sir,
इसने button mushroom उठाए हैं.
sir, sorry, we charged you for bhindi that is actually lobia.
ओ भाई तो ये चल रहा था उनका. तो ये AI का जो स्कैम चल रहा है यार, मेरे को तो चैट जीपीटी.
Speaking of AI का scam,
हाँ,
an AI has officially enrolled as an art student of university in Vienna, Austria. जो हिटलर से हो नहीं पाया,
wow.
वो कंप्यूटर को उन्होंने करने दे दिया.
But that's,
AI
you know what, so think about it. People say if you had just let Hitler be an artist, maybe he would have been a mediocre artist, but we would not have
I
had,
saw his
we
paintings
would
and
not have
stuff
had
today.
the World War II.
I don't think it would have been mediocre. I saw his paintings and stuff literally today. I've got some of them in this reel that
Are you one of those like, oh, Hitler was actually a great artist?
no, good artist. And most of what he made is like empty buildings and stuff and this stuff, whatever, in different palaces and whatever, but no people around this stuff. But very,
Oh no, I wonder what happened to the
Scenic.
people. I wonder where all the people are.
I guess they were all
probably,
Jewish.
Probably in concentrate. Oh, all right.
He must have sent them to study.
Where are all the people at? Either
I
killing
don't know.
either killing the Jews or they are the Jews.
Yeah.
That's
So
what it is.
not in the buildings.
Not in the buildings. You're not
That's-
gonna
that's
have
the
the people in the buildings, dude.
And the ones in the buildings are hiding under the floorboards anyway. So I mean, you can't see them regardless. So,
Quite prescient his art, huh? Because his art
Right.
precedes his war crimes.
yeah,
no?
yeah.
Right.
There's an element of foresight there. There's self-awareness.
Foreshadowing. He was leaving clues
Yeah.
for anyone who was actually paying attention. He was like, "तू मेरा art देख दो. अबे तेरी painting छोड़, तू मेरे को अपने war plan दिखा." अगर वो उनकी painting दिखा, उसके war plan समझ आ जाते. Artist को समझ नहीं रहा बंदा यार. बंदा.
In a global first, an Austrian university has admitted an AI student, full-time art student named Flynn. The AI was accepted into the digital art program, blah, 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 including a completed standard application, portfolio, interview, and suitability test. Flynn will attend classes, receive critiques, and earn grades alongside human students. you develop using open source tools, large language models. Flynn evolves by learning from classroom interactions and posts daily diary entries reflecting his experiences, even expressing sadness when its legitimacy was questioned. The AI must be set up on a laptop for each class and only speaks when prompted to avoid disrupting discussions. The school's digital art head said there are no rules requiring students to be human. Noted. Flynn did a really nice interview, so we were like, yeah, that's absolutely a student to take in.
That's a low bar. कि हमने तो अभी बोला नहीं कि सारे स्टूडेंट होने ह्यूमन होने चाहिए, मतलब कि ये इम्प्लाइड नहीं है.
नहीं,
मैं अपने कुत्ते को भेज दूंगा स्कूल.
कोई रूल तो नहीं लिखा.
I was not aware that
तेरा-
there was an art career on the fucking books for my dog.
तेरा कुत्ता इंटरव्यू अच्छा दे दे तो बस मामला सेट है.
एक बात बता, इस एप्लीकेंट के K through 12 के क्या ग्रेड्स हैं? इसके बोर्ड में क्या है जिसको एडमिशन दे दी?
बोर्ड में आए होंगे ना.
इसने कुछ 12वीं पढ़ी है कि जिसको कॉलेज में डाल दिया? और एक बात बता,
वाह.
अगर भाई को कॉलेज जाने स्कूल जाने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी तो उसको कॉलेज जाने की जरूरत, ये पता है क्या है? दिस इज सम बुलशिट PR fucking shit. Some stupid fucking company paid the university to let our child in and enter and be an artist. Fuck out of here, dude. The whole point of an artificial intelligence is that they have the entire archive of human history on the internet at their disposal for their
हाँ,
learning,
ये cheating
their
नहीं है.
modeling, huh?
ये चीटिंग नहीं है. एग्जाम में तेरे पास सारा वो नॉलेज है. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं टेक्स्ट बुक से यार क्वेश्चन 5 का आंसर याद नहीं आ रहा, बहन चोद, ये मैं लिखूंगा क्या. एआई को तो सब पता है, उसको तो सब दिख रहा है पूरे टाइम पे. उसके तो फुली थियरी में तो उसके तो फुली आने हैं ना.
Maybe we're judging it too early. Maybe it's just like 23 nice
Maybe it's a
Indian boys.
loser AI.
Maybe it's just a couple of Indian boys. It's just a couple of desi boys.
इंजीनियर बैठे हैं दो SRM यूनिवर्सिटी के. क्लास अपने तो जा नहीं रहे, गांजा फूक के पड़े हुए अपने अपार्टमेंट.
यार ये VS रामगोपालन बैठा है और ठीक है.
और वेणुगोपाल श्रीनिवास अय्यर जो भी है.
Whatever the fuck, man. There's a couple of boys from Kerala. Maybe one or two that made out of Bihar, and I don't know, some Bengali fuck.
Maybe someone came off from Bangalore.
Yeah,
So
the Bangalore guys just built the stack on which this AI has been deployed or whatever the fuck. Right? It's a couple of desi boys. Maybe there's a handful of ladies engineers out there also. Let's not be, sexist for I don't know for what reason. Let's not. But let's not be. Let's not for once. Let's not. I don't know why, but let's not. It's Pride Month.
happy
Haha, ladies. Pride Month.
happy men's mental health. Wait, hold on.
एक और चीज ये क्या बोलते हैं, Azealia Banks just keeps shitting on ये, huh? You know Azealia Banks?
She's nuts. She's crazy actually.
Okay, so hold on. Check this out. Ye tweets, I feel alive again. Azealia Banks, quote tweet. Of course you do, it's Pride Month. So I don't know if you know this, but she has alluded in the past that Kim didn't fuck him in the ass like Rose, whatever the fuck her name was,
Amber
Amber
Rose.
Rose used to. That's why he did that shit didn't work out, and that gay is gay, whatever the fuck.
ये is gay.
Gay is gay.
ये gay है. ये gay है.
ये gay है.
हाँ.
ये गे है और वो गार्ड में लेता था और तो किम दे नहीं पाई क्योंकि किम is too much of a hetero, I guess, or whatever the fuck. And
ये actually ये चीज है, मतलब कि Amber Rose used to fuck him in the butt. Is this a thing कि he used
Azealia Banks ये publicly पहले भी छाप चुके हैं ट्विटर पे
to... Oh.
कि ये इनकी रिलेशनशिप इसलिए फेल हुई है, इसका दिमाग इसलिए खराब हुआ है क्योंकि किम ने उसको कभी डाला नहीं
उसको गांड में नहीं मिला.
करेक्ट.
So this is what's happening. The alienation of gay people and the tabooing of their sex whatever will drive them crazy. To be honest, you got to let that shit happen.
या
If you आप रोक लगा दोगे तो आप Kanye West जितने पागल हो जाओगे. Talented तो आप हो नहीं उतने
Yeah.
पागल हो जाओगे.
what do they say about Hugh Jackman? Why is he so angry as an actor?
Because he's huge and jacked
No,
with
but-
men
No.
inside him.
You don't know the theory? They've since the early 2000s, they're like, oh, Hugh Jackman is actually gay because he married this lady who's unattractive, who's also 13 years older to him.
Yes, I've seen.
Yeah,
That I
and then they got divorced maybe a couple of years ago, like 6 years ago, or something like that.
Okay.
And then
I was looking forward to that divorce. I'm glad it came through. He's too attractive a man to be with that lady.
that
Anyway,
lady. Okay,
go
yeah.
on.
And then he goes on to stage some photo ops with this what's her face, this theater actress that he was doing this Broadway thing with, who's
Okay.
also quite mid. I mean, the guy can fucking get whatever the fuck,
He
right?
can-
He's
yeah.
Hugh Jackman.
He could have got one of
That's
the
a li-
Kardashians if he really wanted or whatever, you know?
That's what I'm saying. So,
Yeah.
but this is
It's
just
fucking Wolverine, bro.
maybe he's just got a good heart and he just really cares for the soul. And he doesn't see.
Yuck, man. He's
But that's what I'm s-
Australian.
But that's gay.
He's
as-
Australian.
But isn't that gay as fuck?
Being Australian, yeah, it's terrible.
Giving a fuck. It's just
Only
having a-
Margot Robbie's allowed.
related to someone on a human emotional level as opposed to just a surface consideration of what they have to offer or what the world will at least see, right? Being that considerate is gay as fuck.
Yes and no. You can absolutely be that, but only after your surface shallow and whatever, and somebody who's hot as fuck.
Sure.
Then connect with her as much as a person in
It
this
can't
stuff.
take top priority.
Yes.
It can't be the deciding factor. It cannot be what
Absolutely.
organizes the hierarchy.
He's not valuing himself as a man.
Exactly. So that feels to me as quite gay, is what I'm saying. And nothing wrong with that. Happy Pride.
Happy,
And
happy,
Hugh,
happy Men's Mental Health Awareness Month.
Hugh,
guys.
really, I hope you
It's
get to
tough
jack,
for the gays.
hope you get to jack enough men off and
Yeah. Hugely.
usually yes.
Yes.
Obviously, he's a huge ass man. I don't know.
Yeah, huge ass man.
He's a huge
You're a huge ass man.
He may just be.
I'm huge tits man myself.
He may just be a huge ass man. Also, another interesting tweet on the topic of pride.
Right.
This guy called GS Key or K. It's QUAY is how it's pronounced. Is you do pronounce it key right?
QAY is key.
I
yes.
know, but yeah. So it's anyway. But his handle on Twitter is Hemming Key, but that would be
Oh,
Hemingway.
Oh, but it's proper noun. No, the
Yeah.
actual noun QUAY as in the meaning
As a word is
key,
key, yes,
but
yes.
the proper nouns, you know, they just bastardize anything. Proper noun है मेरा तो नाम है मैं कैसे भी बोल दूंगा.
ऐसे नहीं होता वो उनको इंग्लिश नहीं आती बट ठीक है
हाँ,
हर
correct.
किसी को नहीं आती इंग्लिश दैट्स फाइन
हाँ.
इट्स नॉट योर फर्स्ट लैंग्वेज फक ऑफ एनीवे GS Kui and now I've just changed not even make it Quay I've just made it Kui GS Kui possibly the funniest thing ever printed in the Washington Post this guy air quotes all of the zoomers that work for me are bisexual and all of them have long COVID he said I'll believe long COVID is real when someone who's not bisexual has it Arth
This needs so much unpacking.
There's so much there, right? This guy. Ek to, you know,
long COVID feels like a myth because I don't know anybody personally.
That's what I was just going to say.
Who's had
I've heard of long COVID. It's been on
अमेरिका
the
में ही
internet.
सुना है
अमेरिका में ही सुना है.
और white लोगों का ही सुना है.
Correct.
हाँ. See, हो गए.
इनके दिमाग में ही वायरस है बहनचोद. या फिर हो सकता है क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमारी वो जीन वाली वैक्सीन नहीं आई थी ना हमारी MMRA वाली.
Hmm.
MRMA, right? Whatever the MMRA. Was it?
Sure, yeah, MMRA.
Yeah, MMRA. Yeah. mRNA, messenger
मरना.
Yeah, it's
मरना.
a ribonucleic acid, right? It's a messenger ribonucleic. It's a mRNA, right? Not
हाँ, तो इंडिया में कोई मरना नाम का वैक्सीन तो लेगा भी नहीं.
हमने मरने वाली वैक्सीन नहीं कराई थी
Correct.
एग्जैक्टली हमारी एडिनो वायरस आई थी एक तो वो क्या बोलती है अपने दूसरा वाला the Covishield was the adenovirus and the Covaxin was the inactivated virus, right? The classic, the 19 fucking
Yeah.
100-year-old
Sure.
technology, right? So this is why we don't have that shit, I guess, is what I'm saying, but I don't know for a fact. But apparently all the buyers have it. And then it's so funny because I posted this.
It's the new AIDS.
And
Long COVID is the new AIDS, I guess.
So I posted this, and Vidur replies saying it's true, and he names this one YouTube influencer Diana something like that, who's had long COVID for a long time, and now she's finally been able to like walk and stuff.
Oh, she didn't have a long COVID for a short time? That's crazy. Oh.
No, but I guess long COVID could apply to anything that's like 4 months, but I believe it's been 2 years or 2-3 years at this point. It should be 4 years for her, whatever the fuck.
Wow. COVID is making comeback though. दिल्ली इंडिया वगैरह में केसेस बढ़ गए हैं.
हाँ मेरे पिछले
कह रहे
हफ्ते
ना
मेरे दोस्तों को भी हुआ था कुछ पिछले हफ्ते.
हैं.
हाँ.
Losers.
Diana Physics Girl, lots of interesting research on ME, CFS, long COVID. YouTuber got long COVID. And I was like, is she bisexual? He's like, yes.
Mhm.
So it is right.
Wow. That is Happy Pride Month.
Happy Pride.
Happy Pride. Listen, whatever you do in life, make sure it makes you happy, guys. Doesn't matter. COVID, short COVID, long COVID, AIDS, no AIDS, children, no children, disappointing parents, no. Be happy. Be proud of your choices. We know we are. This is our pride.
Proud of your boy. I'm enjoying. This is a fun set.
है
Come
ना
hang out. I'm enjoying the martinis also, by
है
the
ना
way.
यही कर रहे हैं आज से पॉडकास्ट
अब बैंक के लोड़े मैं ही जब यहाँ पे आके अकेले यहाँ पे सेटल माँ चुदा और ये एक काम करते listen, it's been a good run. It's
गुड फिनाले
it's been a good run.
एक्चुअली pretty तोड़ू फिनाले
If we were to surprise end the podcast here, I don't think I'm going to be disappointed.
no
They'd be like, this is the logical conclusion. This is how it would have ended.
yeah
It really is the only way.
it's Friends if they stopped at season 6 and didn't went go to free season 10
But think about it this way. You know, like the last time we had a podcast in this home was a pivotal moment. Rifshu left right after.
yeah and but look it was so good for us
42 episodes and some other bonuses later. We're doing better and all of that. And we don't hold any, no hard feelings. I love the man, but I love us and this is great.
yeah
But I'm just saying a pivotal moment must be established.
now what's the next level abandonment that's it we have ascended
How about making it a bi-weekly? Because I was thinking that.
how about we step out and get some cigarettes
No, how about making it a bi-weekly one? Because I'm thinking it would be better.
as long as you mean once every 2 weeks rather than twice a week
That's what bi-weekly means.
that's another debate and discussion entirely
Listen, it's Pride One. Let's not get caught up in defining what buys are.
far be it from me to question buys or weeks
But quite frankly, if we were to make a decision about going
Quite
for a
fagly. Quite fagly indeed.
quite frankly, if we
Smokers,
were to,
smokers,
if we were
smokers.
to pivot, if you were to pivot to making it a bi-weekly podcast, what better month
then the month of the buys
than the month of the buys, dude,
and the gays
and the buys,
and the trans and the Qs
whatever the fuck, how many letters you want.
yeah
Uh,
our friend Gukesh
he beat
Gukesh ने
Magnus.
मंगेश की गांड मार दी भाई
मैंने देखा, and
Magnesh.
Magnus was really he
Yeah,
visibly was
through a hissy
slammed.
he's a child only
He didn't slam the table. No, it's just sports.
he
dude.
just yeah I
तू
know
फुटबॉल में नहीं होती लड़ाई साले.
हाँ but वहाँ पे
देखो
justified है उनके abs वगैरह होते हैं ना
That's what fucking retarded fucking logic, dude. It's still a sport.
अगर आप hot हो
Chess is a sport, right?
हाँ
Chess is a sport, right?
as much as F1 is a
Racers
sport
get so angry. I mean, racers famously fought after a race. Of course, this guy crashes into George Russell Max. Crazy ballsy move. Also, the FIA. What the fuck? FIA. No consistency in how you do these. So George Russell, just for context, Monaco 2 fucking weekends ago, illegally overtakes someone. Drive-through penalty. Okay, that's about a 25-second loss in time.
हाँ
This guy intentionally crashes into George. 10-second. 10-second penalty. Not even drive-through.
bias bro referee what the fuck ref
No, it's not biased. I don't even, you can get all quinky dink theorist about it and then be like, oh, it's biased because he's the reigning world champion. Whatever
गांड
the
गरम
fuck.
हो रही फिर से हाँ
But to me, it's just the FIA fucking up as usual.
FIA
Fucking always. Fucking it up always, dude.
FIA
FIA, the fucking it up always gang.
yep
Yep. Also led by this fucker called MBS, by the way. Different
wow
MBS.
wow
इसका नाम है मोहम्मद Ben Sulayem.
no way
His name is Ben, B-E-N.
Ben
Ben. And they call him Ben.
must be from Gujarat initially Mohammed Ben
Mohammed Ben.
hey Mohammed Ben let him guy
I just did the guitar riff for the audience.
he's fucking it up always
fucking it up always, dude.
that's where Mohammed
Ben Sulayem, motherfucker. Nobody likes him. By the way, literally nobody likes him.
I just heard of him and I don't like him
Nobody
so
likes
I mean some people have a magnetism to them like that repels you
He's a retard. He's been trying to be like this language police kind of guy. Oh, no offensive language. Dude, it's a guy in a fucking fighter pilot jet on the ground driving at 300 kilometers an hour. They're going to fucking lose their shit and cuss every now and then. And they've historically cussed. It's never broadcast because those radio conversations are always recorded and they're bleeped out and then replayed. But I don't know where he's coming from in that.
but the radio shit is live now no
Radio shit is never live.
no
No,
Okay.
no. So you can. You're not wrong. If you were to on F1 TV Pro, when you're watching it, you can choose a specific driver's POV. So you can choose a specific visor cam or whatever the fuck, and there you can clue into their personal radio.
But
you can
otherwise,
hear
the
the-
radio that we see,
But
like
the-
in the race, when
But the
that's-
broadcast, but the international broadcast is always post fact, recorded, selected, censored, then telecast.
So it's a couple minutes behind or whatever, no?
not a couple minutes.
No.
It could
Because when we're watching the race or something,
it depends on race director ने यार.
race director.
रेस डायरेक्टर होता है ना यार. जैसे फुटबॉल तो देख रहा था, कोई डायरेक्टर होता है ना who's deciding कि कौन सी शॉट कब दिखानी है, कौन सा रिप्ले कब दिखाना है, कौन सा ये कब दिखाना है, कौन सी
अच्छा.
कम्युनिकेशन दिखानी है.
No, so in football, it's a little more one-dimensional in that sense because all the action is happening at one time in one zone, no? With you in Formula One
Right.
or whatever, there's different things happening at different points
Exactly,
of time
different
in the
parts of
track.
it, yeah, exactly.
फुटबॉल वो सारे 11 मर्द सारे 22 मर्द एक ही बॉल के पीछे भाग रहे हैं, एक ही वो चीज हो रहा है. कभी कभी होता है कि कोई लड़ाई होती है साइड पे, कोई किसी को झापड़ मार रहा है जब रेफरी
Speaking of pride, 22 लोग एक बॉल के पीछे भाग रहे हैं. Happy Pride, guys.
Cheers.
Yes, happy Pride.
Imagine Hitler has 22 guys chasing him. उसका भी एक ही बॉल था ना,
Correct.
है ना? तो यही तो है फुटबॉल, तो यही है. It's all the Jews. It's the revenge of the Jews. That's what football is. It's 22 Jews chase one ball in remembrance of इसकी गार्ड मारनी है. So yeah. आज IPL का फाइनल भी है.
Oh, and what happened to? There was a football final also over the weekend, no?
Yeah, fuck. The Champions League final.
Who won?
PSG versus Inter Milan was the final.
PSG won.
PSG destroyed them 5-0, bro.
Fuck, I
It
love
was-
I love PSG.
They're the money club, no?
That's
This is
why
their first Champions League. They just won. it,
guys,
yeah.
I don't watch football, but I just like PSG because you know what it is. I like their gear. I like the pinks and the blues, and I like the nice color tones that they've got going for them. I like the gear. That's what it is.
Their kit is classy.
That's what I'm
Their
saying.
kit is classy.
I like the gear, dude. Gear's nice.
Yeah.
So that's what it is. So
And you've had legends play for.
passion, fashion, fashion, passion Saint Germain.
Passion is my fashion.
Passion Saint Germain.
Passion.
I like it.
Passion Saint-Germain.
Yeah.
Paris Saint-Germain.
Paris Saint Germain.
Kylie, check this.
Kylie, check this
How
out.
do you
dude.
know Timothy?
हाँ ये
मैंने फ्रेंच आंदी है.
कोई नहीं.
Hello.
आके इसकी वीडियो मालिश
भैन जी.
और काइली बीबी मालिश भी कर दियो.
Je parle un peu de français.
काइली जी अगर आप आ रहे हो
I-
तो प्लीज टाइगर बाम लेके आना साथ में.
Wow. सलमान को बीच में मतलब.
It's been a good one. Let's just dunk this and fuck off.
Let's go. But yes, final parting piece of news. Let's make quick predictions. IPL final hai Punjab versus Bangalore. Neither have won IPL ever before. Yes,
Bangalore made it to the finals
Yes,
again.
they've done it 3 times before.
That's
Hold
what
on.
I'm saying. That's why I said
The match
again.
is happening as we speak right now. By
Listen, as a Punjabi, I cannot. I have to just.
our friend who has this inner conflict, Punjabi but born and raised in Bangalore, is obviously supporting Bangalore
Yeah,
like the
but
Gaylord. He
no,
is.
listen.
No offense. Happy Pride Month.
अब मैं तेरे पास इतने रख दिया, अब तो फिर तो मैं तेरी लेवल बढ़ा दी थी पहले.
Sorry.
थोड़ा दूर नहीं, थोड़ा पास.
थोड़ा intense हो गया.
Actually, nobody cares.
ऐसे तो पॉइंट ये है
तो
तो
तू
पॉइंट ये है वाला मैं एडजस्टिंग द माइक तो पॉइंट ये है कि इट्स प्राइड मंथ एंड इट्स आईपीएल डे एंड पंजाब फॉरएवर
Punjab forever. Let's get it.
oh my back
Oh, and good night, guys.